Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Stay together, bro.
Come on.
Come on, stay together. Let's go.
Watch out. Watch in front of you, man. Ooh, getting close.
Stay together, bro. Come on.
One guy in the corner.
Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Let's go. 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 Come on. Jerry, let's go. Mike, let's go. There you go. Now we covered one. Well, we covered and another one goes. Go. Cover.
We need cover.
No breakage. They're too far.
Get in there.
Yo, Merv, go there. Watch her side, Merv. Watch her side. Vic, watch your head. He's on the second floor there.
Can't see him.
Smoke him up. Mike, smoke him out, Mike. Throw it right inside the house, Mike. Let it hang. There you go. Throw it, Mike. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
That was pretty good, Mike.
You might fucking open the thing and you fucking throw it over the house. It's like...
Watch.
Come on, let's do heavy fire and push up.
Gary, go get him, Gary.
I'm gonna go back, right? Go back.
Where? Round talk.
Right here. Let's close.
Yo, Jerry, cover our side right here. Where they
Up
at?
on the side window right here.
Can you cover me?
Yeah.
Just keep them down. Just gotta keep them down.
We got one. 12 o'clock, top level. 12 o'clock, top level.
Yo, run.
It's around the house. It's around the house.
We gotta get the flag.
Come on.
No, he's down though. Where's he at? Talk. Where's he at?
Find out.
Mike, where's he at, Mike? Is he over there?
Oh shit, I said I'm out.
You out?
We're in the heavy fire right here, man.
No, I didn't shoot you.
No.
Put your hands up. Don't worry, just put your hands up. Put your barrel plug in. 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 Where are you at? I got him here though. I got that one dude here.
You're getting shot.
Oh, this morning, yo. Yo, I'm out. Where? I'm out.
Where?
You good?
You out?
No.
Am I out?
Yeah, you got one right here.
Yeah? All right.
Get put it now!
This room right in the house. Vic, go get him. Yeah, there's one dude in that house right there behind you. Oh, you pussy.
Oh, God. I got caught up.
That didn't work out. there. What happened, Ron? That hurt?
Huh?
That hurt?
Oh, nigga. I almost got tagged on my nuts, bro. Holy shit.